Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with AT&T Business to enable role-based access, full guide step by step clearly. To register with AT&T Business and enable role-based access, begin by navigating to the AT&T Business website. Locate the register option on the home page. Click on the register link to proceed to the registration form. Fill in the required fields, including your business name, address, and contact information. Provide your business account number to verify your eligibility. Create a secure username and password. Ensure your password meets the outlined security criteria. Select your preferred security questions and provide answers for account recovery. Review the registration information for accuracy. Submit the registration form. After submission, check your email for a confirmation message from AT&T Business. Follow the instructions in the confirmation email to verify your account. Once verified, log into your AT&T Business account using your newly created username and password. Navigate to the Account Settings section. Look for the Role-Based Access option in the menu. Click on Role-Based Access to configure user roles. Select Add User to create new accounts with specific roles. Fill in each user's information, assigning them appropriate access levels. Review all permissions before finalizing the role assignments. Once satisfied, save the changes. Your users will receive notifications about their new accounts. Instruct them to log in using their unique credentials. Confirm that all users have successfully accessed their accounts. With this, role-based access for AT&T Business is fully configured. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.